gonna be bags. Is this on bags?
No.
Not yet on bags.
Load springs.
It's never going on bags.
So it is the Prodigy, they call him Tabo. He's the VR6 Prodigy. He's the guru.
He's a proper VR6 purist.
So he builds VR6, yeah.
Ah. Up, man. What's happening over the days?
Back home, Durban.
And what do you think of the meet? Let's get to the real business, brother.
I just got here with my homeboy. I brought my 2 VR6 and then my homeboys came with the 3 VR6.
So it's a VR6 affair.
Obviously. VW all the way, nothing will change. Yeah.
Is that the message to the Beamer boys or what?
You can take a chance with the VR6 and don't be ashamed. Yeah. You can run for y'all. Yeah.
Beamer boys, y'all are listening. The VR6 gang is calling y'all out. Hey, brother, how is it? How is it? Talk to me.
Lit.
It's lit. What's your favorite so far?
Most of all Auto Boost vehicles all day.
Those cars are out
Those
there.
cars. All of them.
All of them.
All of
Out there, if you leave me, I'll love be free. I'm so cold, so cold, so cold. But I'm coming around, I'm coming around, I'm coming around, baby. I'm so cold, yeah, so cold, yeah. But I'm coming around, I'm coming around, I'm coming around. 'Cause I believe in love, 'cause I believe in love, 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 love. Love. Ooh, I won't do you no more, baby. I care about you, girl, 'cause I love you, girl, and I need you, girlfriend, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just
So,
so far.
what have you done to the engine so far?
It's got an intake, it's got blower valve.
Okay.
We did the STI coolers.
Is it an HKS blow valve?
Yeah, HKS.
I could hear from the
Yeah.
table flat that thing was
Full exhaust, no tune. We just
No
left
tune.
it stock.
Oh,
stock.
because the block cannot live on this
No, I don't want to mess around with this car.
Yeah.
You know, these cars are notorious to lifting their head.
Yeah, I know.
So I just said, I'll do all the hardware,
Yeah.
software, I leave it stock.
You live a stock. So, manual,
Manual.
man of culture.
Yeah.
First of all,
It needs to be manual.
It needs to be manual.
It has to be stick. Come on. It has to be stick.
If it was automatic, I would have sold it by now. I
Okay,
can't.
so what is your biggest law with it? Something that you're gonna tell your grandchildren that, hey, can your grandfather, when you own this car, I did this.
No, this car you can't over rev it. If it
Can't
over
over-
revs it, you'll blow it.
Yeah, we'll blow it because
That's why you see I'm just driving it. It's
Yeah.
garage queen, this thing.
Garage
Just to drive first, second gear.
You know,
Here's the blow valve.
you know what I appreciate?
Yeah.
Your honesty. Not
Yeah.
most car people, they go above and beyond to brag about their cars
Yeah.
and without explaining their limitations.
Yeah.
And
This car, you
a
have to
good driver would know that car's limitations.
Yeah.
So, salute, man.
Yeah, this car you have to respect it, otherwise it will disrespect you. It will
Exactly.
disrespect your
So,
pocket.
I assume we are from Matike. I see the Northwest.
No, this is a fake thing. This is not a real
Such
thing.
plan.
Yeah, it's a acid thing.
Crazy dog.
This
Nah.
car's unregistered.
Brother, what has your brother done to the car, man?
It's crazy. Everything is done.
What has been done to the car?
It's a fully built motor.
Fully built
Fully
motor,
top to
turbo.
bottom. Big turbo, forged pistons, con rods, top head is done, everything's done.
Quarter mile.
Probably 10 seconds.
Damn. That thing is fast, brother.
It is very fast.